Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways to get hired at Amazon. Now getting hired at Amazon typically involves several steps. First of all, you can start by researching available position on the Amazon career website. For that, open up a browser, type in amazon.hiring.amazon.com/hiring process. It's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now then, to begin with, you just have to go ahead and look for a job based on the location, title, or keyword. Once you find the position that you're interested in, you can carefully review the job descriptions and requirement to ensure it aligns with your skills and experiences. Then you could submit your application online through the Amazon career portal and prepare a professional resume and cover letter tailored to the position you're applying for, highlighting your relevant skills, experiences, and achievement that make a strong candidate for the role. Now, depending on the position, you may be required to complete online assessment as part of the application process. These assessments include cognitive tests, technical assessment, and situational judgment tests as well. Now, if your application passes the initial screening process, you may be interviewed to participate in one or more interviews. Amazon's interview process typically involves behavioral interviews where you'll be asked to provide examples of how you've handled specific situations in the past, as well as technical interviews for certain roles. Amazon conducts background checks on potential employee to verify employment history, education, and criminal record. Be prepared to provide consent for a background check if required. Now, depending on the roles and the locations, Amazon may require applications to undergo a drug test or as part of the hiring process. If successfully pass all stages of the hiring process, you may receive a job offer for Amazon and review the offer carefully, including details such as compositions, benefits, and start date before accepting. So, through the application and interview, it's essential to demonstrate your enthusiasm for the role, you're willing to learn and grow, and your ability to contribute to the success. That is how you could go ahead and get hired. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.